Too fancy.
Ooh. Munkie. AKT. This the one right here.
Let me sit it on your face, baby, come and get a taste. I'm just trying to get you faded like you smoking on the AB. Hit my line, like what it do? Call me when it's time, now that's a 2. It go up, down, up, down, go up, down, up, down. I said up, down, go up, down, up, down. Got what you feeling?
Got what you feeling?
This body gleaming, top it with a cherry, a berry. We don't need no commentary.
I ain't talking about the house when I say that I raised the roof. I ain't talking paranormal, but I'm chillin' with your boo. Ain't another nigga like me, pa, that's where the mother goof. And I ain't talking Cosmo Wanda, but I'm making niggas poo. Name a better duo. Every time we make a track, we set it off Ricky and Cleo. Hit up KT, I had to ring his line. Said he talented, I like the way he rhyme. Making hits too quick, we never wasting smoking. While I'm swimming in the ocean, call it seaweed. Fuck a nigga, you won't catch me with a demon, I ain't Phoebe. Itsy bitsy, teeny weeny, yellow polka dot bikini. Itty bitty piggy, I'm so witty, all you niggas
Let me
shitty.
sit it on your face, baby, come and get a taste. I'm just trying to get you faded like you smoking on the AB. Hit my line, like what it do? Call me when it's time, now that's a 2. It go up, down, go up, down, I said up, down, go up, down. Got what you feeling? This body gleaming, top it with a cherry, a berry. We don't need no commentary. Whoa, what's the dealio? I'ma need a millio. Made him slurp it up, you would've thought he ate some cereal. Lick this like a cherry topping. Monk and J got niggas bopping. I ain't like these messy ass hoes that's fucking homie hopping. I got some bands, let me put you in a trance. It's gon' take you more than that to get an inch inside my pants, boy. Back to Ralph, I beat you in your own game, boy. I like to push these niggas buttons like a game, like I'm nasty. I'm where the cash be. And if they ever hit the net, boy, I know you better at me. Let him hear the song, he told me this shit was catchy. And then I put it in his face, I got this nigga so happy. Let me sit it on your face, baby, come and get a taste. I'm just trying to get you faded like you smoking on the AB. Hit my line, like what it do? Call me when it's time, now that's a 2.